Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Japanese 1 yen coin is so light it won't even break the surface tension on water. A soldier once asked Eminem for his autograph. Eminem replied, "Sure, if I can have yours." According to psychology, if you're always the one to approach first, the next person is just not interested at all. Larry Tesler, the inventor of cut, copy and paste, find and replace and more, he deserves a like. Craig Lewis, 55, is the first heartless human who is literally living without a pulse. Apple does not allow villains to use iPhone in movies. The hit TV show Stranger Things was rejected 15 to 20 times by different networks before Netflix finally picked it up. A Bugatti hypercar's oil change cost as much as buying another car. The more you talk about someone, the more you like to fall in love with that person. The 20-20-20 rule is a method proven to stop eye strain and thus stop headache. This is not a sketch or a drawing. This makeup is done on a real girl. Most people are not actually antisocial. Alcohol kills one person every 10 seconds worldwide. Main actors of Gods Must Be Crazy was only paid $300 even though the movie made over $60 million. Michael Jackson once tried to buy Marvel Comics because he wanted to star as a Spider-Man in movies. Peacock spiders sometimes wear water droplets as hat to impress potential mates. Planks help strengthen your core, arms, legs, toes, and your buttocks, build abs, and improve your mental focus. When holding a baby, raise your eyebrows, don't furrow them. Giraffes usually sleep for about 5 minutes at a time, adding up to an average of 30 minutes per day. Bamboo that grew up during the pandemic without the effect of the tourist touch. Soaking your feet in hot water is one of the most effective ways to get rid of a headache. This photo has won the International iPhone Photography Awards. The male brain is 10% bigger than the female's, but the female brain works more efficiently. This train always stops at exactly the same place and the air conditioner drips water on the same place. Result, a tiny ecosystem born. According to psychology, if you're always the one to approach first, the next person is just not interested at all. The most murderous city in the world is Tijuana, Mexico. Mauna Loa, located in Hawaii, is the largest volcano in the world. These clothes are worn by rape victims. These dresses were kept in exhibition to prove that dresses is not the reason for the rapes. When red pandas feel threatened, they stand up and extend their claws to look bigger and more dangerous. Birds occupied the sky in Rome. In Japan, if a tree is in the way of road building, they bind the roots and move it. Scientists discovered 170 million year old Stegosaurus dinosaur footprints on the UK island. NASA developed a technology called Finder. It is able to detect heartbeats and breathing through up to 30 feet of rubble, 20 feet of solid concrete, and used to find survivors during the 2015 earthquakes in Nepal. Vladimir Putin to remain Russia's president till 2036 as voters agree to extend Putin's rule. Famous TV character Nobita is based on a life of a real boy Nobita who was suffering from a disease, schizophrenia. After getting up in the morning, fill the mouth with water and open the eyes and splash clean water in the eyes. This increases eyesight. You can't comment 35 point black on Instagram or Facebook. This is the first man-made biological leaf. It can absorb water and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen just like a plant. This guy was alone in a flight, so he clicked his photo on every seat and later edited it. As a child, Beyonce charged her parents' house guests $5 each to watch her perform. The most sincere smile you will ever see. Adolf Hitler's telephone, one of the deadliest weapons of all times. A woman was found skeletonized in her London flat after 3 years of being dead with the TV still running. In Russia, in 2015, a cat saved an abandoned baby by covering him and keeping him warm while mewing loudly to get the attention of a passerby. Thanks for watching.